Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Citizens Bank app on iPhone, secure access step by step clearly. Open the Citizens Bank app on your iPhone. If you don't have the app installed, visit the App Store and download it first. Once the app is installed, locate the Citizens Bank icon on your home screen. Tap to open the app. You will see the login screen. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typing errors. Next, tap on the password field. Carefully enter your password. If you want the app to remember your credentials, select the Remember Me option. Once you've entered your username and password, tap the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case you've forgotten your username or password, tap on the Forgot Username Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your login information. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can also try restarting the app and attempting to log in again. For any ongoing problems, contact Citizens Bank customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.